Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I have a pretty interesting money-making opportunity for you guys today, and it's called Make Money, and you can make a decent amount of money, as the name implies, from this app. But before I continue, if you guys want more awesome money-making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so you can see the app is here in the top left corner of my screen, as usual. So now, let's go into it. So you can see here when you first open it up, you're going to be brought to this ad. You don't have to do anything, you can just close it out. And here is the main screen where you can see the different ways that you can make money. So let me just go to this how it works, or how to use it page right here, because it's pretty concise. And you can see here there are 3 different ways that you can make money, or I guess get coins, which you can then redeem for different gift cards or for money. So you can either open chests, you can play games, or you can do tasks. And those will lead to coins, as I said, which you can then convert into gift cards or for money. So now that you guys know how it works, let me go through the different ways that you can earn coins. So you can see here, there is a daily bonus, and these are different chests that you can open. So first you can get your free chest, which you can just tap, and you can see there it'll start loading and you can open it for free. And right there you can see I got a easy 6 coins just for opening that free chest, and it'll reset every day as it is a daily bonus, of course. And then you also get an ad, but you can close it out pretty easily. So now you can see here my total coins has increased by 6 from 200 to 206. So another thing you can do here is you can do the video chest, which is where you basically just watch videos. And you can see here, when you click on that, it'll bring up a video ad that you can exit out of. After a certain amount of time, you can see here there's 2 seconds remaining, and now it's finished. So there you go. And then you just pick one of the boxes here and it'll give you a random reward. So let's pick that one, and look at that, we won 30 coins. So that was good, that's the highest amount you can get, so lucky us. And you get another ad. You're gonna get an ad after every time you do something, obviously, because as usual, ads are what pays the advertiser, or sorry, what pays the developer money to pay us. So you can see here for the video chests, you get 5 per day. And right now we used up 1 of those, so we have 4 left. So if you do it again, obviously you're gonna get another ad, and it's like a 10-second countdown that you have to watch before you can exit out of the ad. So after that's over, you can see here we can tap the X again, and now we get another pick. So let's say I pick a different box like that one, and oh, look at that, we're lucky again, so we get another 30 coins. There you go, lucky us. So now you get a second ad to watch, and after that you can see here our balance has increased by 30 once again. So that's how the video chests work, and you can see now we only have 3 left, and also the free chest has a countdown going until you can open that again. So that one has 45 minutes left on it. And now one other thing you can do for the daily bonuses is right here, it's this editor's choice. So if you tap on that, you can see here you'll be brought to this page where you basically just install different applications, and whenever you install each application and you open it up and you use it for a little bit, and then you can come back to this app and you will accumulate some more coins. So this is another good way to earn coins. It's similar to other apps I've shown you guys in the past, like Pocket Flip and a couple others. So it's very straightforward, and I'm sure you guys are very familiar with how to use this. So I'm not going to go into too much more detail into that. Like I said, just install it and use it for a bit, come back, you'll earn some coins. So that's that, and that's how the editor's choice works. So now, before I show you guys some of the games, I want to go through some of the different rewards here, and also other ways you can earn coins. So let's go to the rewards, and we can see the different kinds of rewards you can get. So you can see here there are Amazon gift cards, So there's different values. There's $3, $5, $10, $25, and that's it. That's the max. And you can see here it costs different amounts of coins for each of them. So for $3, you're gonna need 18,000 coins. $5, 35,000. $10, 58,000, and $25, 140,000. So the conversion rate is about $1 for every 5,000 or 6,000 or so coins. So it's not too bad. You can earn coins pretty quickly, and you can also get PayPal here. It looks like the conversion rates are a little bit higher for PayPal, so it's like 1 in 7,000 coins, because obviously PayPal is paying you real cash versus gift cards, which are only for that company. So like Amazon, you can only spend it on Amazon, the Amazon store, whereas PayPal you can spend on anything. So yeah, this is a little bit more pricey. So if you want to be more cost effective and you want to get the most out of your coins, then I recommend you get gift cards instead. You can also get Google Play gift cards, iTunes gift cards, Steam gift cards, PlayStation gift cards, and Xbox gift cards. So you can suit your gaming needs here with the Steam, PlayStation, Xbox. You can get like your music, your different apps with iTunes and Google Play. You can get PayPal. You can also buy stuff from Amazon if you are a regular Amazon shopper like I am. So that's the different rewards you can get. I actually have some proof of a reward that I got in my email, which I'll show you guys in a little bit after I go through the app itself. So stick around till the end and you can see some proof of an Amazon payout. Now, another thing I want to show you guys is the invite, because this is another way that you can earn coins. So you can see here you can earn 800 coins for each successful invitation of friends, and all you have to do is take this invitation code. So you can see mine is right there, and I will be posting this in the description below. I will also be posting the download link in the description below, so if you guys want to easily download this app, check out the description and it'll have everything that you need. I'll also give you guys my invite code, because you can also, both of us earn extra coins for using an invite code. So if you use mine, I'll earn 800 coins and you also earn a certain amount of coins as well. And if you want, feel free to post your invite codes in the comments below, and you may get some other people to join your name and you'll earn some extra coins from that. So that's how invitations work. That's another way you can earn extra coins. And then you can also share it on different social media like Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and more for 100 coins for each platform. So that's how sharing works. It's another way that you can earn money. And you can see here, this is the public page. You can see what different people have been doing to earn coins. It updates in real time. So you can see these are people that are playing games. And this is someone that redeemed for a gift card, looks like. $50 in PayPal. Nice. So yeah, you can see here what other people are doing. Maybe you can get an idea of what you should do. And now let me go through some of the games that you can play to earn coins. So you can see here, if you unlock this, you can earn $10, but you have to be online for 3 days to get it. So if you come back 3 days in a row, then you can get $10. And another thing here, you can do like racing, Sushi Go, you can do Texas Hold'em if you know that game, Space Adventure, you can spin a wheel, you can do a fire finger, or you can play a new game. So let me just show you a few of them. I don't want to go through all of them because it'll ruin the surprise for you guys. You guys can check it out yourselves and see which ones you like. So let me try out this 100M racing game, and it'll take a little bit to load, so we'll wait for that. Okay, so here you go. So you have to win. You have to run faster than your rival in order to win the game. So let's scratch off here. And there you go. So now we can claim it. And looks like we won 20 coins. Not bad. Not bad at all. So now you get another ad, obviously, and you can close out of that. And we got a new game unlocked. Pretty cool. So you can do it again if you want. Just scratch off once again. If your distance is more than your rival, then you win whatever prize at the end of it. Yeah, that's how that works. Let me go through a different game. Let's check out. Okay, we'll get our 2 coins. And we can exit out of this ad here. Now let's check out Sushi Go. And once it loads, again, it takes a bit because these are games, so they take up a bit more space and take some more time to load than like the free gifts or whatever. So this one is you need to reveal 3 of the same symbols in order to win the game. So let's scratch off here. If we get 3 of the same, we win whatever prize is at the end. So you can see here we have 3 of them. Let's see what our prize is. So we get 5 coins. Not too bad, not too bad. So there you go. And after we finish scratching off everything, it'll let us claim our reward as it did for the racing game. And now you can see here, now we got 5 coins, and there you go. Very simple, very straightforward, and they're easy games to play. They don't require much effort at all. You just have to scratch off and you win. And there you go. So now we get some more coins, and we can exit out of this ad right here. So that's how games work. Feel free to check out the rest of the games. Like I said, I don't want to go through all of them, but you can, and check out which ones you like the most. So now the final way to earn coins, as we saw earlier, is that you can do offers here. So you can pick one of these offers. Let's say you do a mega offer, and then it'll load the different offers that you can select. So now you can see here, if you do each offer, you'll get a certain amount of coins for doing them. So look at that. This one, if you do this Hulu thing, you can earn 112,733 coins. That's amazing. And that's going to be a decent amount of money if you do this. So some of them you can earn a lot of coins, others not so much. Like this one, you still earn a decent amount, 1,100 coins for downloading this app. So it's a good amount still. Obviously, it's not 112,000 as we saw earlier, but you can also earn decent amounts of coins doing the other offers too. So pick ones that you like, the ones that you want to do, and you can earn some more coins using this. And you can earn a lot of coins actually if you do these offers. So yeah, that's how you can earn coins using offers, and that's how you can earn coins in general with all these different methods, including the games, the chests, the offers, and the invitations. Now, what I want to show you guys is some proof of my payment when I cashed out. It's in my email, so I'll take you guys there right now. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the email they'll send you when you redeem for a gift card. So for example, I redeemed for a $10 Amazon gift card, and they sent me this email with my gift card code. So you can expect that as well whenever you redeem. Whatever gift card you select, whether it's Amazon or like iTunes or whatever, they'll send you an email, they'll give you your code, and you can just enter your code into the relevant website, and then you can redeem it for cash. So yeah, that's proof of their payment. And that's about it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.